In this video, I'll show you how to fix TigerView not sending images to Amplify packs. First, select the exam, right-click on it, click File, Export, and go to the DICOM server. Ensure Amplify Packs is selected and click Edit. Take note of the IP address. Make sure the IP address matches here under Client IP address, and then open the uploader by clicking on the little arrow icon here to see the hidden icons, and click on Uploader. And we'll see that the IP address does not match what is in TigerView, so we're going to change that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Stop, and from the pull-down menu we will select it. Now if you don't see the IP address listed here, that means that you have to restart your computer, so we're going to do that. Alright, I've restarted the computer, and here let's check again. We're going to make sure the IP address matches. So we have 118 here, and we're going to select 118 in Uploader. So just make sure that the IP addresses all match, and then you're going to click Start, and then Send to Tray, and now when you export the images it should work correctly.